So I have the TST 507, I think is the correct number, tire pressure monitoring system. I've got the valve caps that you screw onto the valve stem. Now supposedly you're supposed to be able to use these on rubber valve stems, but it appears that that's probably not the best idea. You probably should shift to metal, and here's why. Now if we look, it looks like it's banging up against the tire rim. Can't really see any damage on the sensor itself, but I think what's happening is at high speeds this starts to flex, and then when you hit a bump in the road it wobbles even more, and so it keeps banging up against the rim. Let's go look at the other one. Yeah, this one, you can see where it's scraping. What's happening is it's doing this. So see if I can't change these out for metal stems. So today's drive, I got 426 miles from about central Wisconsin to eastern North Dakota, all the way across Minnesota. When I came around Minneapolis, which you'll see in the video though, is we went through the transition zone of entering the Great Plains. Of course, a railroad near campgrounds. It's kind of a must. But someone found a squirrel. So anyway, when you see the video, what you're going to see is the transition. As I kept going north into Wisconsin, we saw how the terrain changed. But now when I kicked over, started heading west, once I got around Minneapolis, you'll see the transitions. You'll see how we shift from the wooded area more into that rolling plains. Can't quite see it in the video, but you can sense it when you're there. It kind of smells different. The air feels different. There's almost a constant breeze blowing out of the southwest. That's just the way it is on the plains. She saw a squirrel and now she wants to chase more squirrels. Ah, easy.
Shadow of uncertain living,
Jasmine.
hang low and keep us in mind. And though nature is forgiving, that doesn't mean she isn't
There's a
kind.
squirrel over there. She saw it once, now she wants it again. Jasmine. Up, up.
What a treasure of intentions, with smiling lips and searching eyes. I don't care for the intention, I'm grateful just to have the time.
Made it with gas to spare. Okay, maybe it said about 40 miles left before it told me just low. Alright, so now a diesel card, TST Logistics. Supposed to save me some money. Cheapest gas around here according to gas plate was $2.99, I think. I believe the gas station over here. They should give me $2.88, I think. Almost $100. But I have the added benefit. I can get my diesel exhaust fluid here. So I'm aiming for Portal, North Dakota, or across the border. We still got 10 hours to go. 670 miles. I have to fill up at least one more time with fuel. And 10 hours is too far to drive in one day. Plus it's already 11:30. So I'll try and get most of the way there. But I think I came up with an idea for solving my tire pressure monitoring sensor rubbing against the rim of the tire. stopped off at a tire place, and I considered getting metal valve stems. He showed me a hybrid one, which I've heard of this before. It's mostly metal and then some rubber. They'll probably give it enough stiffness so that it will stop flexing so much and rubbing against the tire rim while I'm driving down the road. But another thing he suggested doing was getting like a rubber grommet, and that rubber grommet will stop the valve stem from flexing so much, as well as probably stop the sensor from rubbing against the rim of the tire. Then I remembered I had a yoga mat that I bought just for the whole point of being able to cut it up. Then I got some different pieces of foam I've kept over the time. I'll try a couple of those different options when I stop tonight, cut them into shape, put them over the valve stem, and see if that's enough to stop that from rubbing. I just came out of northwestern side of Minnesota, I-94, massive construction, all that just completely being redone. But as soon as I popped out of the city, the grass has changed. And if you look around here at the rest stop, see all the grasses? It's all dry. So they're having a bit of a drought conditions, it looks like, out here. And the cornfield is just over on the side of this rest stop. Saw the corn looked horrible. It was all dried up. Yeah, we have left Midwest. Dry, dry, dry. The air even smells different too. A little grass surfer.
Steady in a solemn garden, you say your hand is a mind's own. I don't waste a moment, darling, just to let those lips take control. Oh babe, this world is a vendetta, as bittersweet as bitter cold. But in your gaze is sweet ambrosia, and my heart savors growing old.
I got so distracted driving around Minneapolis through all that construction, completely forgot I hadn't eaten yet. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm just not getting lunch.
lay me in the ground. All these years of empty breathing, I let it go just for the sound. But you could set the song electric. Come on, dry the devil out. Poetry for a heretic. My blasphemy is beauty now.